Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a photo collage in Canva. So first is you have to open your Canva application on your device and then log into your account. Now that you're here, you'd be able to see these sections at the top. You will then just have to slide to your right until you can find the option where it says photo collage portrait. So let's go back and try to locate that section. So here it is, the photo collage portrait. So you just have to select this one. And then once you've done that, you'd be redirected to this page. Here you'll see different templates that you can actually use for free, but there are some that aren't actually for free. But you can also subscribe to the Pro plan if you want to access all of the templates. So for now, I'm just going to use this free one. Then once you're here, just have to select the frame and then you'd be able to see the section at the bottom left where it says replace. So just have to click on it and then you'd be directed to your gallery. Now you just have to select the photo that you want to add. As you can see, now you just have to repeat the process, select the frame and then select your photo. So let me just add this one photo. And once you're done, you just have to click on the send button at the top right hand corner of your screen and then click on download. And then you can choose your file type and then select download. And finally, your portrait is now saved to your gallery. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.